Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if iOS 18 updates are not showing up on your iPhone. So guys, if you want to install the iOS 18 update in your device but the iOS 18 update is not showing up on your device, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, the very first solution for this problem is that you have to simply make it sure that your internet connection is working properly and you are using a strong internet connection on your device. So guys, do this, and after this you have to open settings in your device and then tap on general, scroll it below and then tap on language and region and tap on region and select your country or region correctly, and then go back and tap on VPN device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN, and after this go back, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset all settings of your device for one time, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there then open your software update and tap on automatic updates, and you have to turn on all these toggles, and after this go back and now tap on beta updates, and from here if it is off you have to simply check this button to iOS 18 developer beta. So guys, tap on this and after this go back and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the iOS 18 update is showing up or not, and if the problem is still there then force restart your device for one time as well. So guys, for that press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.